Welcome to Mappa's Art Studio!
Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm glad that you're here. I know I've been away for a bit, but I wanted to share this piece with you. This one is called Veins of the Void. I've been on a pearl pour kick recently, and my goal was to create another pearl pour. But as you'll see later, this didn't go exactly as planned. My paint ended up being a little bit thicker than I expected. So yeah, didn't go exactly as planned, but that's okay. I'm using leftover paints from my previous pour. This one was actually filmed shortly after my last video, but I'm only now getting around to uploading it. Oh yeah, and while the painting was drying, one of my stir sticks somehow ended up resting on the canvas and transferred some paint onto it. Total accident. But at first I thought it was ruined, but I don't know. Maybe it actually added some little detail that kind of works. I don't know. You'll see it when I show you the dried results. So I'm gonna put on some music and I'll let you watch it unfold. Talk soon. dried results. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't my favorite piece, but I really like some of the details that kind of came through. The vein-like lines really stood out, and I guess that's where the name came from. So yeah, not a perfect pour, but that's kind of the point, right? Acrylic pouring and fluid art is sometimes so unpredictable, and sometimes the imperfections are what make it, more unique. So just zoom in on a little piece here. Look at those cells. It's one of my favorite parts of the piece. Oh, and here's where the stir stick rested on the canvas while it was drying. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me on this one. Even though it wasn't my favorite piece, I still had fun creating it. And as Nate Bright says, be fearless. So don't forget to subscribe, share my video, helps my channel grow, and let me know in the comments what you see in this painting. Much love. Bye.